It's not often that you get to find a smaller home with main level living and low maintenance, and that's exactly what you're going to get here with this townhome that's located in the Georgetown Square community. This lovely townhome is just over 1,700 square feet with 2 beds and 2 bathrooms. Come take a look at it with me. This beautifully maintained end unit townhouse is in the desirable Georgetown Square community. This ranch-style end unit townhome is giving convenience and privacy with its thoughtful layout and the community amenities. The property itself has an upgraded 150 amp electrical panel, AC, as well as R48 attic insulation. Your kitchen also comes with extra storage and a pantry. This townhome has been lovingly taken care of, and one of the things that I love about it is the main level living that you get to have here. The private fenced-in patio gives a perfect spot for relaxation and outdoor meals. You've also got community amenities like the clubhouse, swimming pool, and the tennis courts, and that encourages an active and social lifestyle right at the doorstep, giving you leisure and recreation without having to travel far. Don't forget the playground. The HOA also provides lawn care and snow and trash removal. This townhome also comes with a convenient 2-car carport for easy parking. The whole area is well connected to major highways, public transportation, and local amenities. The nearby shopping centers, restaurants, parks, and schools make daily errands and activities convenient. Come and see if this home and community is the right fit for you. My name is Kevin James Bond of 3Max Real Estate Group. Let me know if you are looking to purchase or sell in the Colorado Springs area, and I would be happy to help you.